In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit placement in Facebook ads. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. So, let's get started and walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by simply searching for Facebook Ads Manager on Google and then clicking on the relevant link. Once you arrive at the Ads Manager landing page, you'll see a button that says Go to Ads Manager. Click on this button and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you've filled in your details, click that login button and you'll be on your way. Now that you're in, it's time to navigate to the campaign's dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you can see and manage all your advertising campaigns. Once here, take a moment to identify the campaign you want to work with. Clicking on a campaign will open up more options for you to manage. Now find and select the campaign that needs editing. Once you have selected the campaign, look for the edit option and click on it. This will allow you to make changes to your campaign setup, which includes adjusting placements. With the campaign editor open, you will want to navigate over to the ad set you wish to modify. This section holds all the settings about where and how your ads will be placed across Facebook's network. Keep an eye on the left-hand menu and click on Ad Set. Next, scroll down until you find the placements section. It's important because this is where you decide where your ads will appear, be it in the newsfeed, Instagram stories, or other available placements. Once you locate the placements options, you'll see the Show More Settings button. Clicking this will expand additional options, providing you greater control over where your ads will be seen. Here you can make all the adjustments you need to ensure your ads are placed exactly where you want them to be. After you've made all your desired changes, review everything to make sure it's set to your liking. Once confident, it's time to save your work. In Facebook Ads Manager, this is done by clicking the Publish button. By doing this, you're telling Facebook to apply and activate all the changes you've just made. And there you have it. Editing placements in your Facebook ads can be done efficiently and effectively by following these steps. Thanks for joining me today, and happy advertising.